Alright guys, welcome back, another video. We're doing NQ today. We are on market replay. This is just the other day. Again, I don't trade NQ really, so I usually trade ES, so do not know what NQ is really doing, okay? We're trading a 24 tick TP stop loss. You can see my face here, okay? We're doing great, I did mark out some absorption here and up here, okay? We're gonna be arming it in regression to start, okay? The reason we are arming in regression is basically it's very high entropy right here, okay? So when the market opens, we're going to be arming it in regression. Very high entropy, and the market's open, okay? Very high entropy right here, and yeah, we're going to be seeing, there's also a point control zone here. So I'm expecting price to return back to this area. So we did just get a fill. So hopefully this is right around this point control zone. So hopefully we can kind of move back up towards this take profit here and this absorption. So we're also right around this reverse RSI. Kind of expecting a little pushback as we usually do. Okay. Initial, when we come back to it, tend to bounce a little bit. Sometimes we do just push through and then start to bounce out. But might be quick trend flip. So you can see this range is expanding very quickly. You can see it's pretty tight here, and now we're starting to expand. So let me see where this candle closes. Let's just see here. So I'm watching this quick. Okay, so I'm actually arming it in trend here. Reason is positive order delta, filled. So it's saying more buyers are here, right? But selling is stronger, okay? So sellers are bigger than these buyers. Target filled. And also this range was expanding. We did get that win. I did not expect to fill that quickly though. So basically, yeah, there's more order active filled. Buyers than active sellers, but we basically moved down because sellers are bigger, okay? So, see what happens. Looks like we're stopped out there.
Stop filled.
It's fine.
Order filled.
See what happens here.
Target filled.
Okay, forgot to rearm, but at this point,
order filled.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I was gonna say we're expecting
target filled.
Oh my god, I can't even talk. So there's winners right there. I didn't have any time to explain because right when I armed, we did get filled. So I didn't expect that trend trade. I don't even remember what I armed, honestly. Anyway, we're pushing down so much, I'm expecting some sort of pullback now, okay? You can see the buyers starting to step in, kind of leading more to a aggressive mindset there. Okay, and then, yeah, basically, whenever we push out of this reverse RSI trading NQ, we might push down a little bit, but usually we do get some pullback, okay? Pullback into that range, okay? That's why I armed it in a regression here. You can see more buyers stepping in, and now more sellers are stepping in. Buyers are starting to decrease. The closer we get to this zone, actually, you can see the sellers are stepping in. So expecting kind of like a pop up. Potentially, I mean, we're in this range where regression was doing good. We have a reverse RSI here. Automatically marked absorption here. And absorption here. So we'll see what happens here. But yeah, sellers were stepping in right when we reached around this range. So this is kind of the range right here. Okay. We're back in this range. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can get kind of a quick fill. Rejecting these.
Order filled.
at that. So yeah, I do like this trade. Right around the absorption line, reverse RSI. If we do win this trade, we're going to be arming it in trend because we were just actually looking for that quick pop. Okay, quick pop off
Target
of
filled.
the reverse RSI.
Order filled.
Now we have a trend here, so trend mode. Okay. Because basically this range is huge now. Although we're in this previous range, it's not really looking like it's acting like a range because we blasted right through it, rejected it. Strong deltas here for NQ. Anything over 100 is pretty strong, I'd say, for NQ, honestly. Yeah, once the market opened here, this really didn't act much as a zone, so
Target filled.
I'm gonna give this a second. I'm kind of waiting like for this reverse RSI to bounce down here. Okay, so back below this range, I think I'm talking super fast. We had reverse RSI reject up here, so I'm expecting hopefully the same kind of thing down here.
Order filled.
Got entered right around that reverse RSI. Is nice. So reverse RSI bounce.
Order
Buyers are
filled.
stepping in. I just don't have time for anything. So I guess if we win this trade, we're just going to be done. I think we've taken a couple losers, but yeah, basically we armed regression.
Target filled.
Reverse RSI, yeah, we're calling it up $7,500. We are trading 6 contracts. Okay, we are trading 6 contracts. If you traded 1, it's still good profit. Okay. Yeah, basically we armed it in regression at this reverse RSI because we were expecting pullback. There's good resistance here. Absorption, automatically marked absorption was right here. Reverse RSI, so we're expecting some quick pullback. So potentially arming it in regression long would have been smarter than just both. And then down here, same kind of thing. Regression short might have been smarter. Expecting a little bounce, okay? A little bounce. Sometimes we push out before we get that bounce, but same thing over here. Obviously, market open is going to be a little more volatile. Like the first couple minutes, we did get that push down, but we did get those trades right here. Regression to the upside, okay? So it was mainly regression this morning. We armed regression up here, that high entropy. We did arm a trend, I believe, when we saw this start to expand, right? So you can see these candles kind of lead chop. Long wick, little body, again, long wick, little body. That's kind of high entropy chop. Then we started to expand, the body started to get full. Then we started to break out, right? We got a trend fill. I think we lost one in here, lost one up here maybe. And then we got that regressive fill back up into this range. Regressive fill here. I did arm it in trend here. That was because we bounced off this reverse RSI. Delta, or the sellers are starting to step in here. 140% more sellers than the previous. And that did get us a win. And then this is kind of an indicator for potential regression down here as well. I didn't see this at the time, but point of control zone kind of right here, as well as this delta. So delta divergence. But we did get that nice pop. And then yeah, that's about it, really. Looks like this would have been a nice little regression trade again, but we're not trading that right now. Or not, I have no idea. Market's just doing what it wants. Yeah, we're calling that, I guess. It was a short video. Short video. If you want more like this, let me know. And we'd also have the Discord. It's released. We have 12 members right now. 12 members, okay? It's a lot cheaper than most. It's $50 a month. We are live streaming. I'm live streaming every morning. It's not specifically Polarity that I'm streaming every morning. I'm showing Bookmap mainly, so a lot of this every morning. And giving Polarity like I would be in this mode right now, kind of thing, okay? Or if we hit here, I'm gonna be in this mode. Okay, so doing that. We're making some profits in here, making some profits, okay? Pretty active for the first week. It's been out for a week and a half, okay? People are making money. It's good. Got about, how many people do we have in here? Got like 100 and 15 people in here, I think. So, yeah, but we'll do another video on that later. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. Another good day, I guess. I mean, it was playback mode, but I'd say it was good. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. All right, see ya.